This video is a walkthrough of how to do a picture walk, which is essentially previewing the text. This would be for your younger readers. So why would we do a picture walk? A picture walk, first, it can activate our prior knowledge, which is basically what we already have in our brain. Plus, it gets us thinking about what we already know. Picture walks get us excited to read the text, and they serve as a preview for new vocabulary and concepts. And picture walks improve the comprehension of text. So first thing that you would want to do in a picture walk is to preview the book. We want to look first at the cover, look at the title, read that aloud, the illustrator and the author, and then ask your reader, what do you think this book is about? What do you notice? And as you turn the pages then, you want to have your child make predictions. You can continue looking and turning the pages and looking just at the pictures and not at the words, and ask them, what is happening? Who is this? What are these characters doing here? Why? And what do you think will happen next? Another thing you can do while you're doing a picture walk is activate your reader's prior knowledge. So as you look at each picture, ask your reader, do you have any experience with this? Have you ever done this before? Does this remind you of something in your life? And a couple helpful hints. As you're doing your picture walk, just point out some key vocabulary. If there's a word or concept you think your reader doesn't have much experience with, point it out. Like in this video, you're going to see my daughter is looking at someone playing darts, and she says, what are those pointy things? So I point this out. Those are called darts. Have you played darts? And then we find the word darts in the words. Focus just on the pictures. Remember, again, a picture walk serves as a preview. Your reader may want to read those words, but help them stay focused on the pictures by asking questions. You can turn the page too. Use the picture walk to set a purpose for reading. This preview is going to get them to anticipate and get excited about what's going to happen next. It also kind of sets as a let's go and close this book and start reading those words to find out what's going to happen next. Let's see if you're right. And the last thing is just remember, a picture walk is just that. It's just a picture walk. It should not last more than 2 or 3 minutes. You won't be able to do all of the things that I talked about here because you don't want it to last, much longer than that. All right, so my little first grader is going to be reading Barb is a Sports Star. And so first we're going to just take a little picture walk. So let's kind of notice what's happening, Gina. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. What do you see on the first page?
I see a girl where she's going, and it looks like it's sports, and it does look like she's in a sport area.
Yeah. Oh, what do you notice here?
She's playing. She's number 7.
What is she playing? What's that called? Do you know?
Baseball.
That's called baseball. What about here? Do you know what she's doing here?
She threw on those pokey things.
Those pokey things are called darts. Can you find the word darts on the page?
Barb loves darts.
There it is. Darts.
Looks like she is a winner.
Mm-hmm. All right. What sports is she doing here?
Jogging.
She's jogging. We call that running track sometimes. Okay. What about on this page?
Jumping.
She's jumping. Mm-hmm.
Just like the front cover.
What matches?
With color.
Yeah. All right. Turn the page.
Color. Black.
What do you notice on this page?
It looks like that she's playing baseball again.
She's playing baseball again. That was a great picture.
I think that's her favorite one. Thank you for coming to our video today. Hope you learned something. Make sure to click a thumbs up to our channel. Bye!